a look at some updated features in Google Meet. Google Meet in an enterprise business license allows up to 250 people to participate in the meeting. At the top right is a participant list. In the Add People command, I have the option to call someone into the meeting who is not presently here. So I could enter a phone number, it would dial them, and they could answer. For example, if they were driving but still need to join the audio portion of the meeting. At the bottom left of the meeting are the meeting details, but keep in mind that sometimes you have to click on the screen to get this menu of options to appear. In the meeting details, you can have the phone number so that others can dial in and also copy the URL, which is the same as the URL at the top of the screen. If someone has added an attachment to a Google Meet that was connected to a calendar event, you can view that attachment here.
Looking to learn more? Visit us at onyxnet.com or email us at marketing@onyxnet.com.